The version is Tele Prime. And today the topic is customization in vouchers. Okay. So I'm sure everybody knows, because as we already done the so many examples and so many exercises we already completed. We already seen the so many examples of vouchers, masters and everything we learn. Now the vouchers. So a brief introduction of vouchers. Transaction types to be recorded are known as a vouchers. Transaction types to be recorded are known as a voucher. For example, when you start the company with capital, the first entry always be the cash to capital. But where should we record it? Where should we record it? So we should record it in a receipt voucher. Please do not use every time the general vouchers, because general vouchers is only given for the adjustment entries. There are 24 vouchers, default vouchers available in Tele. They are divided into two parts. First is a accounting voucher and second is a inventory vouchers. And by default, 24 vouchers. Okay, I'm going to share my Tele screen also. Fine. So I'm going to create a one company. Vouchers example. Okay, this is my company name. And then I'm just pressing the Control A. After pressing the Control A, there should be always be a one screen in a Tele Prime, that is the company features screen. Suppose by default you escape that is screen. So by pressing F11 key, you will get again the company feature screen. But I'm not talking about the company feature screen. I'm talking about the vouchers. Now, what is vouchers? Like when you click on the create, then there are given the accounting masters and inventory masters. There are voucher types available in accounting masters. So how many voucher types are there? How many voucher types are there? For example, you want to check the voucher types. How many voucher types are there? So you can check by default 24 voucher types are there. Apart from like out of them, attendance voucher is there, contra voucher is there, credit note, debit note, delivery note, job in work in order. From out of these 24 vouchers, we already seen the delivery note. We already seen the credit note, debit note, contra, pay, purchase, sales, receipt note, rejection in, rejection out. Okay. And then rest we will see later on. But suppose we want to create our own voucher. By default, a purchase voucher type is there. For example, whenever we want to purchase, we want to record the purchase transaction. Whenever we want to record the purchase transaction, then we have to press in the transactions, vouchers, and we have to press the F9. Is it clear? Is it clear? And is the my screen is visible? Make sure my screen is visible. If anybody have doubt, then please write down the query in the query session. Okay. Just a minute. I'm going to arrange this screen properly so that I can check your questions also. Okay. Now, till now, I already given you the understanding of vouchers. What is voucher, or how many types of voucher types available in Tele. So I'm sure everybody understood what is voucher and how many types of vouchers available in Tele. Okay. So again, the small introduction of vouchers. Transaction types to be recorded are known as a voucher. Transaction types to be recorded are known as a vouchers. For example, in a Tele, I want to record a first transaction, that is business start with cash. Then this is the introducing the capital. And introducing the capital, the entry will be cash to capital. Entry will be cash to capital. But where should I record this transaction? Where should I record this transaction? Anybody can reply me. Where should I start? I record this transaction. Cash to capital. Today is almost the seventh session. Where should I record the transaction? The transaction is cash to capital. Prem, how the capital entry will be done? We already completed the 6 sessions. Yes, receipt. Aman, very good. Thank you so much for the replying. See, okay, Prem, no issue. I'm going to give you the example of cash to capital entry. First, you have to press the voucher and you have to press the F6. F6 is a shortcut key for the receipt, but here is a no ledger because cash to capital, which two ledgers will be affected? One is cash and second one is capital. Cash by default is created by the tally itself. You have to create the capital ledger. Create, then capital account, and it should be under capital. Please go through my previous lectures. Okay, I will not, it is not possible to repeat everything, whatever I taught you. Then, suppose I started the business with 12 lakh rupees, then buy cash. Right? This is the how to record the receipt voucher. But in case I want to record the transaction of purchase. Okay, then you have to press F9. Because in the purchase, the entry will be purchase to creditor, purchase to party, or purchase to cash. Please do not record this kind of transaction in the payment. You should record this kind of transaction in the purchase. And then you can check from here, change mode. There are 3 modes: item invoice, accounting invoice, and as voucher. Suppose item invoice. So in that case, you have to provide the item name, purchase ledger, party name. Because purchase to party, 2 ledgers will be affected. So 2 ledgers should be created by yourself, and then you should take the party name of creditor and then purchase ledger of purchase. And suppose you don't want to check this view, then there is a different view, that is accounting invoice. In accounting invoice, party name account is there, and then particular is there. In the last mode is voucher mode, debit coded. Whatever you want to credit, whatever you want to debit, you can change this mode. But today I'm not talking about these things. Today I'm going to give you the explanation of customization of vouchers. Okay, so basic is, what is voucher? First of all, unless until you haven't idea, you don't have the idea what is voucher. Then how it is possible you can customize the tally by creating your voucher. So that's why I have given you the understanding of vouchers. Now, isn't it? I'm sure now everybody knows what is voucher. Now I can expect the answer from your side. What is voucher? And how many types of vouchers are there? Is it clear? Is it clear? Just write Y or N. Y or N. We will later on discuss about the assignment, how to send the assignment. First, you should concentrate on the session. A document that records the financial transaction, not only the financial transactions, Ruby, you can record the inventory transactions also. If you remembered, I remembered you were there in my sessions, like when we record the stock journal voucher. The stock journal is used for the transfer of material. So it is not only for the financial transactions, it is also for the inventory transactions. Is it? Yes, Durvi, there are 24 types of vouchers. 24 types of vouchers. Okay. Now, out of 24 vouchers, almost we completed the basic vouchers. Later on, we will check the advanced vouchers. But suppose I want to create my own vouchers. Because see, if the cash purchase is there, then I have to record the purchase in the purchase, whether it is cash or whether it is sales. But I want to bifurcate my purchase voucher. I should record the credit purchase on credit purchase voucher, and I should record the cash purchase on cash purchase voucher. Is it clear? I'm sure it is clear, right? So how can we create the vouchers? By clicking here, the create voucher types, then cash purchase. enter, enter. The type of voucher should be, answer me, the type of voucher should be, the type of voucher should be, if I'm going to create the cash purchase voucher, then type of voucher should be what? Anybody? Right. The type of voucher should be purchase, because this is the basic voucher, okay, purchase. And you are going to bifurcate your purchase. So the type of voucher should be purchase. Now, this is abbreviation, short name. And activate this voucher type, definitely activate this voucher type, because we already seen in the F10 there is an option of deactivate. First you can deactivate, and after when you want to use it, then just activate it. But I want it should be the activate. Method of voucher numbering. Method of voucher numbering are basically 5: automatic, manual override, manual, multi-user, auto, and none. See, automatic means by default it is giving me the voucher number 1, voucher number 2, voucher number 3, voucher number 4, and so on. And automatic manual override means by default it will give you the voucher number, but you can override that. You can override that, because when you create the voucher, when you want to create the voucher, then it automatically assigns the one number. You cannot override that number. But by selecting this method of voucher numbering, you can override that. Isn't it? Is it clear? Is it clear how to create the voucher types? And what is, how many method of voucher numberings are there? And what is method of voucher numbering? Automatic in method of voucher numbering. I'm glad you are answering continuously. See, the method of voucher numbering are 5. First is automatic. By default, it is giving you the 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. But you want to override that. In an automatic, you want to override that. Select this. Otherwise, manual. In that case, Tally will provide you the cursor on the voucher numbering also. You can manage by yourself voucher numbers. You can manage by yourself. But the best option is automatic. The fourth one is multi-user auto. We already discussed when we want to take the license of Tally. When we want to take the license of Tally, then we should like at the time of purchase, we should decide whether we want to purchase for a single user or whether we want to purchase for a multi-user. I told you what is the difference between single user and multi-user. But please again listen carefully. I'm going to give you the explanation. Single user means only I am using the Tally. I am using the Tally and I am entering the entry in my company. Nobody can enter apart from my system. No other system can enter the transactions in Tally. But in case of I am having the 10 systems in my office. I am having 10 systems in my office, and I want all the computers. From all the computers, we can enter the entry in the Tally. In that case, one should be the server and other should be the client. So in that case, multi-user auto. Isn't it? Isn't it? For example, suppose A and B. Both are working in a C company. A and B both are working in a C company, and they are sitting on their own computers. A sitting on the first computer and B sitting on the second computer, right? And both are working in the C company. So both should be the rights to enter the entry in the C company. And A also install the Tally in the computer, and B also install the Tally in the computer. But by sharing the location, they can enter the entry simultaneously in the C company. Is it clear? So in that case, you have to take the multi-user auto. Okay. And none means no, I don't want to use any voucher type. But first, I'm going to select the automatic. In an automatic, there is an option of renumber vouchers or retain original voucher numbers. That's mean what? Renumber vouchers. Renumber vouchers means you have to again the like whenever the numbers are there, then it will renumber that. You want to renumber that. Means what? You want to override that automatic voucher number, whatever given. But you want to retain original voucher number. Like for example, you passed purchase first time, then voucher number will be 1. You purchase second time, then voucher number will be 2. This is automatic. And renumber means you want to rewrite that. Okay. But I'm taking here the retain voucher number. Then show enter in additional numbering. This is also very important. This is also very important. Like you want automatic voucher numbering should be there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, it is okay. But you want some prefix should be there or some suffix should be there. What is prefix? Before the number, you want to fix some characters. Before the numbers, you want to fix some characters, or after the number, you want to fix some characters. So that is prefix or suffix. Before the number, prefix, and after the number, suffix. Now, yes, I'm setting here the yes. The moment you set it yes, it will give you this kind of screen. What number you want to start? Is it the 1? Is it that 1000? Is it the 100? Is it the 10,000? So I want to start from 1001. Enter. Width of numerical part, but I want automatically it should be the edges pre-fill with 0. Yes. So the first voucher number will be 01001. Is it clear? Is it clear? This is the way how can we create how can we customize the vouchers? Okay, now next. Now I want the restart numbering. Numbering, whatever I am going to mention here, it should be applied from the 1st April 24. Why so? Because my company starts from 1st April 24. Then it is okay. First number should be 1001. And periodically, daily you want to restart the numbering. For example, today I finished the 10 purchase. From tomorrow, I want it should be automatically start from 1001. So that is restart cycle. But I don't want. So I am selecting here the year. Yearly it should be restart. Enter. Prefix details. From it should be applied from the 1st April 24. Now prefix should be CP dash. CP stands cash purchase. And I'm not mentioning here the suffix. I'm not mentioning here the suffix. Control A, Control A. Okay. Now next, whatever the voucher already created for the purchase, the voucher type is created for the purchase is purchase. I want to alter it. That should be the credit purchase. That should be the credit. Credit. I only change the name. Rest is okay. Control. Now you can check while passing the purchase transaction. What is the shortcut key for the purchase transaction? F9. You can check. Tally automatically ask you whether you want to purchase the cash purchase or credit purchase. Is it clear? I'm waiting for your questions. Good, good. If you are getting properly, then it's a very good thing for me. Yes, Manojit, thank you so much. Fine. Now, suppose you want to purchase, first you are making the credit purchase, then credit purchase. Right? Credit purchase, then supplier C. The credit purchase number is 1. But the moment I press cash purchase, then it is CP-1001. Why so? Because I select the advanced parameter for the voucher numbering. Same thing I can select for the purchase voucher also. So types purchase. Credit purchase. Now I can select the additional detail yes, then 1001. And refill with 0 yes, then 1000. Okay, and I'm going to prefix it. That is CRDT CRDT, CRDP dash. Control A, control A. Now you can check. See, first is a cash purchase, second one is a credit. Now it is CRDP dash 1,000. Now I'm sure you are getting like what I'm trying to give you the understanding. Is it? Okay. I'm repeating it. Okay. Okay. No issue. I'm going to repeat it. Now, see, if I want to record the sales, purchase I already created, so I'm not going to give you the example on again the purchase. I'm going to give you the example of sale. Now, suppose I want to make the sales, right? I want to enter the transaction for sales. So, what is the shortcut key for sales? F8. But the sales, I want to bifurcate. If it is the cash sale, then cash sales should be there. Instead of this, it is the cash sales should be there. And if it is a credit sale, then instead of sales, it should be the credit sale is there. So I can create the cash sales because no cash sales voucher type is there. Then I am going to create the voucher type cash sales. Listen carefully. Yeah? Then you should select it under, it should be under sales. Enter. Then method of voucher numbering. Method of voucher numbering are 5. Automatic means it automatically takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Automatic manual override means by default it will provide you the 1 number, 2 number, but you want to override that. Then you can set automatic manual override. Manual means you want to assign your own voucher numbering. Okay. In multi-user auto means, see, multi-user auto means, please listen carefully. If in my company, there are 10 computers. There are 10 computers and all of are working in the same company. In a tele, I created a one company and all of the all the employees are working in the same company. And but they are sitting in their own computers. Right? There is no need to like, see, suppose you want to enter the entry in the tele. Then there is no need to enter the entry in the tele from this computer. They can enter the entry from their own computers. So in that case, you have to share the tele company by sharing the folder. In that case, you have to purchase the multi-user auto, right? Multi-user tele, and then you can set the multi-user auto, right? First, I'm going to set the automatic. Then send alter additional numbering. Yes, enter. From which number you want to start? From 1001 you want to start. Width of numerical part, there is no need to mention the width of numerical part, but automatically adjust. Okay, according to the numbers. Pre-fill with 0, yes. Then the starting number should be 1001. And restart numbering. Restart means, suppose I completed the 10 transactions today. Okay, 10 numbers today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 transactions today. Then from tomorrow, the transaction should be start from 1 voucher. Sales transaction should be start from 1 voucher. That is recycling. So in that case, you have to select the date. But I don't want this kind of thing. I want it should be yearly. Enter. Now, the prefix should be CP sales dash. Prefix means before the numbering, you want to fix these characters. And suffix means after the numbering, you want to fix that characters, whatever you mention it. But I'm not going to mention the suffix. Control A, control. Cash sales is there. Now, credit sales is also there. You can modify the sales. Instead of sales, it should tell me the credit sales. Sales. Now the name should be credit sales. Enter, enter. Then set alter additional detail. Yes, enter. Now 1001. Then yes. And 1001. Yearly and 14. Then particulars is CRD sales. that is credit sales. Control A, control. Is it clear? I'm asking from those students who asked me, who request me to repeat how to create the voucher types. Now in the vouchers, when you press F8, then it is asking cash sales or credit sales. When you press F9, then it will ask you whether you want to cash purchase or credit purchase. Is it clear? Now please answer me. Because so many times the student request me. No, after entering the voucher, how you can alter, na? Method of voucher numbering not coming. Okay, you can check by pressing F12 key. Because in a F12, all the configuration is there. See, voucher type F12. In a F12, show more configuration, set it yes. Right, and then there is an option of set method of voucher numbering, set it yes. Is it clear? Set it yes. Control A. I'm sure now it is clear. Okay. Now suppose I'm entering. Okay. Now basic voucher ledgers. I'm going to create ledgers. Sales ledger is a basic ledger. Sales account. I should switch off the GST. Right. Then purchase account. This is the basic ledgers. We need to create in the tally by creating while entering the transactions. It should be under purchase. Controlling. One creditor should be there. Local creditor. Controlling. Local debtor. Again, sundry debtor. These are the basic ledgers which I need to enter the transactions of sales and purchase. Then item should be there. Laptop. Then all C numbers. Control. Now I can enter the transactions of cash and credit purchase also. First, suppose I purchase the laptops, 10 laptops from creditor account. Then which purchase I should record? Which kind of purchase I should record? And what voucher types I should select? What voucher types I should select if I want to record the transaction, the purchase from sundry creditors, 10 laptops. Then I should record the credit purchase by pressing F9. Credit purchase. Then invoice number is 01. See, or a voucher number is there because we selected the automatic method of voucher numbering should be automatic. But I enter the prefix. So it is giving me 01. This is a bill number. Then I should select the local creditor. That is a party name. Control A, Control A. Then purchase ledger. In what item I purchase? Laptops. How much? 10. 45,000. Is it clear? Now I want to purchase cash purchase. I want to record the cash purchase. Then again F9, then cash purchase. Okay, and then invoice number is 0. Now again it is CP 1001 because this is the first time I am entering the cash purchase. Previously I entered the credit purchase. Then cash. Control A, controlling. Then purchase account, laptops. 8. Automatically their rate will be automatic. Now I want to record the credit sales. Then which key I should press? I want to record the credit sale. Then which key I should press? Then in that case, F8 key should be pressed. F8. Now I want to record the credit sales. Then credit sales. Then party name is local data. Sales account. Then laptops. Then suppose 5 laptops sold out. Then 5 at the rate 55,500. Okay. Enter, enter. Now I want to record the cash sales. Then F8 cash sales. There is a CP sales 1001 cash. Control A, control A. Then sales. Laptops 2. This time it is 60,000. Is it clear? Is it clear? Anybody have doubt? Then just raise the query. Otherwise, I am moving ahead. Okay. Right? If you remembered, see, by creating the voucher, you can find out only the cash purchase from daybook also. Now I want to find out only the cash purchase. No credit purchase, no cash sales, no cash credit purchase should be there. Then by pressing the F4 key, you can find out the cash purchase. Because F4 is a shortcut key for the filter in the vouchers. F4. Fine. Then in the P&L also, see. Okay, first of all, I should select the formula. Okay, now I want to check only the cash purchase and cash sales. In the P&L, net profit through cash purchase and cash sales. Then by pressing again, I told you filter, advanced filter. Right? Now I want no group according to the voucher. Which voucher you want? Cash. Cash sales and cash purchase is there. Only cash sales and cash purchase. Through cash sales and cash purchase, there is only the 30,000 profit. 30,000 profit. You can check from here. See, cash purchase, right? And then cash sales. Then cash sales and cash purchase gives you the 30,000 rupees profit, because see 2070 the laptops are already there now. You purchased how much laptops you purchased, you can check from here. See, you purchased 8 laptops, and out of 8 laptops you sold out on cash how much? 2 numbers, right? So 2 numbers laptops you sold 1,20,000. Rest 6 laptops is also there, already there. 6 into 45,000. And this is for, it is taking the 2 laptops profit. 2 laptops. See, 45,000 per laptop cost. So 2 laptop cost, because you sold out 2 laptops. 2 laptop cost is 90,000. And you sold out in 1,20,000. So 30,000 is a profit now by selling the 2 laptops on cash. So cash purchase and cash sales. Is it there? Everybody is getting? No, if you like create the cash purchase or cash credit purchase ledger, na, so in that case, again, you cannot find out only the cash sales or cash purchase by pressing the using the filter in vouchers in daybook, nor in the daybook, nor in the P&L, right? Yeah, see, your question is right. You can also create the credit purchase or credit purchase. But in that case, voucher wise filtering is not possible. And again, the profit is not possible. Okay. Is it? Now I'm going to give you the one example, one complete exercise on this. I'm going to create a one company. Okay. I'm sure you remember this example. Okay, first let me disable the GST. Okay, I'm sure you remember this example. I already gave you completed this example by creating the cost centers. By creating the cost centers. But today I am going to create by voucher wise. 3 branches are there. If we want to extract the branch wise profit, then in that case, please, if you don't want to use the cost center, you can, instead of that, there is another way. You can create the voucher types. 3 branches are there: Faridabad, Muradabad, and Ghaziabad. Faridabad, Muradabad, and Ghaziabad. So first you have to create the voucher type Faridabad purchase. Then it is again the purchase. Okay, and then you can set the voucher of method of voucher numbering also. But now I'm not setting the method of voucher numbering or prefix. I'm not fixing here the prefix. I'm not fixing the prefix also because of the timings. Okay, control A. Then control R, Faridabad payment. Faridabad payment should be under payment voucher. Then Faridabad receipt under receipt. Then Faridabad sales under sales. Is it clear? Anybody have doubt, then you can raise the question. Now, again, we have to create the different vouchers. Why? Because this is only for the Faridabad, but this time I am going to create the for Muradabad. Then sales. Controlling. Now Muradabad receipt. It should be under receipt. Then Muradabad payment. Then Muradabad purchase. Purchase. Then again Aurangabad. Purchase. Then Aurangabad sales. Sales. Then Aurangabad receipt. Aurangabad payment. Control. Now we created the voucher types. Okay. Now you can enter the transactions by selecting the different voucher types, and you can extract the profit according to the branch wise. Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt? If you are creating the different voucher ledgers, then it will be very hectic, because ledgers, try to reduce the number of ledgers. Try to reduce the number of ledgers. Is it okay? Sonu, what do you want to ask? Only you written here the no, ma'am. So what no, ma'am? Okay. So we are going to start this example by creating the products. TV, fridge, laptop. These are the groups. These are the groups. So create stock groups. TV, control A. Fridge, control A. Laptops, control. Now we have to create the unit of measurement. What is unit of measurement in your example? That is numbers. Okay. Quantity is given in the numbers. So numbers, NO is a formal name. Control A. Now create the stock items. Okay. Onida TV 21-inch. It should be under which group? TV. Then control A. Then next is Onida TV, then fridge LG, then laptop Lenovo. Fridge LG, then laptop Lenovo. So first fridge LG. Copy, then paste. It should be under fridge. In numbers. Control A. Now laptops. Then laptop. In numbers. All the three items are created. We already completed this example, but using cost centers. Today I am going to give you the explanation on voucher types. How can we complete this kind of example? Suppose we are having the branches, different branches. So branch wise profit, how can we extract? Okay. So now ledgers, create ledgers. So first of all, you should check Sharat Brashtavari and Company. This is our creditor or debtor? It's our creditor, because this is the purchase transaction. So I'm entering the creditor, sundry creditor. Then 15 days. Control A. Next is Amal Mulayam and Company. Again control C, then control B, sundry creditor. Next is Chalu Prasad Yadav. Then again control C and control B. Is there a need to create the purchase cash ledger or purchase ledger? Only purchase ledger. Okay. So first purchase account. Under should be purchase. Control A. Cash account, there is no need to create the cash account, because cash is already created. Default ledgers are two. One is cash and second one is P&L. Now the second is, next is sales ledger. In the sales ledger, these are the parties. So first you should create the sales ledger. Sales account, it should be under sales. Then Mamta Railcraft. Control C. Under which group it should be created? Under sundry debtor. Control A. Then Nitin Gadkari and Company. Next is Rasoia Cooking and Company. Control C, Control V. The datas are created now. Is it clear? The datas are created now. Is it clear? I'm not audible. Yes, credit purchase, cash purchase, we can set limit. Later on, we will check the budget. Cost center and voucher type. Basically, cost centers are used for the cost audit purpose. Giridharan, the question is, what is the difference between cost centers and voucher types? Okay, I'm going to publish it. See, the Giridharan question is a very important question. That is, what is the difference between cost center and voucher type? Cost center basically is used for the cost audit purpose. Cost center, because cost center wise, you can check the reports. Because in the previous example, I told you, you can check the cost center summary. You can check the cost center breakup. But in a voucher type, there is no kind of this report also. Only you can filter. Okay, only you can filter. Any like question? Okay, for TV na? Okay. Again, thank you so much. Is my voice is audible for everybody? No, and Dhruvi, in today's session, I'm going to give you same exercise. I'm going to give you the example of same exercise, but in the using the voucher types. Previously, we already done this example by creating the cost centers. It is not possible for me again and again the repeating. You should join on time. Huh? Okay. So, first of all, okay. Everybody is telling me like in the stock item TV, I forget to. Yes. Forget to select the unit of measurement. Thank you so much. Should I start entering the transaction? So first transaction. The first transaction is first of all, I am going to create all the ledgers. Commission. So there should be one ledger that is commission. That is commission. So first I'm going to create the ledger. Create ledger commission. Because the commission paid, so it should be under indirect expenses. Then the next is carriage inward. Again, it is the indirect expenses. It should be direct expenses because it will appear in the, it should be appear in the trading account. So direct expenses. Now next is salesman salary. Salesman salary, indirect expenses. Next is mobile bill. Mobile bill. Again, indirect expenses. Now next there should not repeat because commission is already created. Okay, so commission I am not going to create again. Now I'm going to start the transaction. The first transaction is capital introduced in cash. Tell me the entry. Come on fast. Tell me the entry. Cash to capital. What will be the entry? Cash to capital. And where should I record? Where should I record? Cash to capital. Where should I record? First, I should select the vouchers and I should press F6. And this time, receipt should be there. There is no need to select the Aurangabad receipt, Faridabad, because this is the complete for the whole company. Receipt. Cash. Here should be the capital account. Capital account. It should be under capital. 10 lakh rupees. Cash. So you can copy the narration from here also. Capital introduced in cash. Capital introduced in cash. Okay, in 2015 should not be there. Right, I'm not going to change the dates, okay? Except. Now the next transaction is on 1st April, Sharad Brashtavari, party Sharad Brashtavari, but this transaction is for Faridabad. This transaction is for Faridabad. So just press F9. Now you should select the Faridabad purchase. Now invoice number. Farida, just like FR-01. This is invoice number for Faridabad. Then party is Sharad Brashtavari. Control A. Then purchase. And what are the items? TV Onida 15, 11,000. TV 15, 11,000. Is it? Now press F2. Second. On 2nd of April, Amar Mulayam and Company, but this time the transaction is for Ghaziabad. So you cannot enter this transaction in Faridabad purchase. Just press F9. This is for, okay, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Muradabad. And instead of Aurangabad, Ghaziabad is there. So no issue. Okay. So just assume Ghaziabad and Aurangabad is same, right? Aurangabad. Now AUR-01. Enter. Now party is Amar Mulayam. Okay, Control A and Control A. See, this is Aurangabad and Ghaziabad. I replaced the name. Instead of Ghaziabad, it is Aurangabad. Okay, I'm writing here. Here it is, instead of Ghaziabad. Control F. And I should replace, okay? Everybody knows, na? Replace Ghaziabad. You should replace Ghaziabad with Aurangabad. Replace. Right, replacement. See? By using the Control H is a shortcut key for the. Okay. Now next, I'm going to wait. Now Amar Mulayam. And this is for Aurangabad purchase. You can check. Aurangabad purchase, fridge LG 300 liters, 10,500. Fridge. No need to create the multiple ledgers. Only by creating a one ledger, I can enter the Aurangabad purchase. I can enter the Ghaziabad purchase. I can enter the Muradabad purchase. I can enter the Faridabad purchase. Then it will show me. It will show me the profit according to the branches also. 10, 10, 10,500. Enter, 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 enter. F2, first buy. Okay, now this time the purchase is in cash. Then, and it is for cash purchase is for Muradabad. So first of all, you should select press F9, then Muradabad purchase. Muradabad purchase. And under Muradabad purchase, again you can bifurcate cash and credit purchase. But no, I'm not modifying it. MR-01. Then the party name should be cash. Because cash purchase is there, then party name should be cash. Enter. Then control A. Controlling. Then purchase. And this time, just a minute again, I need to arrange the screen. Okay. Okay. Cash purchase for Muradabad. Cash purchase for Muradabad laptop. So first of all, press F9, select Muradabad purchase, then cash purchase. And what are the items? Laptops. Laptops 20, 24, 500. So you can select laptops 20, 24, 500. Calculation automatically will be there. There is no need to calculate on the calculator. Okay. Now F2, second buy. Now purchase in cash, Aurangabad. Previously it was no. Now this time Chalu Prasad Yadav for Faridabad. So again FR-02. FR-02. Then the party is Chalu Prasad. Okay. So Chalu Prasad, it is not created. So I can press Control Alt C. Chalu Prasad Yadav and company account. Sundry credit. Control A, Control A, Control A. Purchase. How much? Fridge LG. It is for Faridabad and still it is Muradabad. So I should select first Faridabad. LG fridge 10,800. 10,800. Is it clear? Right. Now the last purchase is for Aurangabad. Purchase in cash. So first by pressing the F9, you should select the Aurangabad. AUR-02. Then here should be the cash. Control A, Control A. And then purchase. How much items? Laptops Lenovo 10, 25, 200. Laptops 10, 25, 200. Is it? So total purchase I should match. Total purchase is 11,20,000. P&L 11,20,000. It is correct, right? Now, again enter the sales vouchers. The first sales is for Faridabad. So, by pressing F8, Faridabad sales. Faridabad sales. Now this time the sales is for Mamta Rail Transport. The sales is for Mamta Rail Transport. Okay, so you should select the Mamta Rail Transport. Mamta Rail. Control A, Control A. Now sales. Then Faridabad sales and TV Onida 10. TV Onida 10. How much amount? 12,500. Enter, 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 enter. Now the reference should be FR-01. Sales and sales. Okay. FR-sales 01. Fine. Now next. Next sales is for Aurangabad. Now, but this is cash sales. So first is F8 Aurangabad sales and select the party name cash. Control A, Control A. Now sales account. Now sales in cash and the item is fridge. Item is fridge. Fridge LG 5 13,000. Fridge LG 5 13,000. Reference the need in here. There is no need to set the references. Now F2 1st June. Okay, now Muradabad. So first of all, you should select F8 Muradabad. Okay, now next. The party name is Nitin Gadkari and Company. So you should select the Nitin Gadkari and Company. Control A, Control A, then sales. And the items are, only one item is laptop Lenovo 826,000. Laptop Lenovo 826,000. Laptop Lenovo 826,000. To reference again, this was Muradabad, right? Nitin Gadkari, yes, Muradabad. So the reference should be MUR, sales dash. Right? Now next. Faridabad sales, but this is Rasoiya and Company. So F8 Faridabad sales. Rasoiya and Company. Control A, Control A. Now the items Faridabad sales, the items are fridge. Sales, fridge. How much? Five. 12,500. 5. 12,500. 12,500. Faridabad, FR dash sales dash. Is it? Next. In the last sale is sales in cash, but this time this is for Aurangabad. So press F8 Aurangabad. Party name is cash because cash sales is there. Laptops. First you should check. Laptops 10 26,500. And 26,500. Now the total sales is, you should check by Control N. Sales How much sales is there? 7,25,500. You can check enough by pressing the Control N. Control N is a not the shortcut key, which is not only used for the calculator. See, Control N. This is also used for the checking the opening and closing balance. For example, purchase account. Purchases. See, 11 lakh 20,000 sales. So 7 lakh 25,500. Is it clear? Now the next vouchers. Next vouchers, they are entering commission paid, but for which branch? Commission paid, but for which branch? Faridabad branch. So payment voucher should be there. F5 Faridabad payment. F5 Faridabad payment. Anybody have some question? Because almost we are in completion. Dhruvi, if any error is there, then we will solve it. We will resolve it if any problem was there. Then will there. Then a Faridabad payment commission. Commission, how much it is? Faridabad. Commission paid for Faridabad. Expenses in cash. $5,000. 5,000. To cash. Enter. Next, Aurangabad payment carriage outward. F5. Aurangabad payment carriage out. Inward. It is inward, na? Aurangabad, na? 3,000. Cash. After Aurangabad, there is Muradabad payment, F5, Muradabad. Then salesman salary, 12,000. Salesman salary, 12,000. To cash. Muradabad payment, yes, correct. Then Faridabad payment again. Faridabad payment is mobile bill. F5. Faridabad payment, F5. Faridabad. 2,500. Cash. Is it clear? Now next. The last is Muradabad payment commission paid. First F5 Muradabad payment. Then commission paid. I should check the commission made for Muradabad, right? That is 4,000. Now, first you should check the overall P&L. Overall P&L is 37,300. It is given 37,300. Okay. But now I want to check the P&L of Faridabad. Then previously we can check by selecting the cost centers now. But this time I'm selecting here. See, here filter is there, apply filter. Vouchers having look for, right? Vouchers looking for Faridabad. Only Faridabad profit is there. How much profit it is? 15 to 50. You can check here. 15 to 50. Is it clear? Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt? How I extracted the Faridabad profit? Overall profit is 37,300, but how I extracted the only Faridabad profit? Is it? Okay. Now this time, now I want to save the view of the Faridabad. Then save view. Faridabad P&L. Control A. Then escape. Now again there is a I want for the Muradabad. Then again Control F, filter. Then backspace, vouchers. Backspace, vouchers. Look for Muradabad. Net loss is there 1200. We can check, it is given in the exam. See, answers are given. 1200 is a loss, Muradabad. So you should select you should save it. Save Muradabad P&L. Already exists. That was Faridabad. Change view. Aurangabad P&L. Right. See, by default, like when you completed this example by creating the voucher class, then by default it created the view. Company P&L, Faridabad P&L. See. Then change view, Aurangabad view. Yeah, Muradabad. Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt? Then please raise the query. Rest like things will not reflect effect by creating the vouchers. Inventory, all the reports are same, whatever you already seen the reports. No voucher type reports are there apart from the complete. Yes, voucher clarification, that is the like to maintain the clarification. Then group vouchers. Now payment. Indirect expenses. You can check the complete vouchers using the group. Group is what? Indirect expenses is a group. Capital is a group. Purchase is a group. Sales is a group. Now by creating the voucher class, also you are having the filter in daybook. Filter option in daybook. Display more reports. Daybook. Alt F2. First 4 to. Then press F4. F4 is a shortcut key for voucher filtering. You only want Aurangabad payment. See. F4. You only want Aurangabad purchase. F4. You only want Muradabad purchase. Muradabad. MU. See. This will be not there in the case of cost center. Is it clear? Now I'm giving you the 5 to 10 minutes. Please answer me. What you learn? Aisha, your net profit coming? So just check the expenses now. Because 3,000 difference is there now. 2,800 now. So just check. Not audible. Rest are saying audible and you are saying not audible. Rohini, check your connection. Because my side, all the things are perfect. Gunjan, if you have the educational mode, then you have to change the date. Only you can change the date only 1, 2 and 31st. Daybook period is unable to send by or pressing the Alt F2. You can set the period now. Is it clear? Voucher types. Right? Actually, Ishwarya, you wrote the you are asking one question, why you are recording in transactions in the year as 20 to 24? Because see, the example, in the example, the date was, the previous date was there. So because I already have taken the period of 1st April 2024. So that's why I'm selecting here the 2020. There is no shortcut key Alt F. There is a shortcut key Control F. Ashpreet. See, once you, Sneha, your question is, can we change the unit of measurement? You can change the unit of measurement unless until it is not in use. If it is in use, then you cannot change the unit of measurement. Okay, let me give the example. Suppose I created a 1 unit of measurement, created, that is packets. Control A, right? And I created a 1 stock item. Okay, I select the packet. Control A. Now directly I cannot change the unit of measurement from here. Packets. Suppose you are changing here now. So right now you enter, presently it is like giving you the presently you can alter the unit of measurement. Why? Because still you haven't have the transaction regarding the Maggi. But once you have the transaction regarding the Maggi, then you cannot change the unit of measurement. Let me again clear. Suppose now this time you want, no, unit of measurement for Maggi should be the number. So here you can change number. But once you enter the transaction, then you cannot change. For example, again, I enter a 1 transaction. F9, this is only the purchase. Cash. Maggi. 100 packets, 45 rupees. 5 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 rupees. Okay. You already purchased the transaction. Now you cannot change the unit of measurement of Maggie. Stock item, Maggie. Enter, enter, enter. See, it is not giving the cursor. Because you already entered the transactions now. Okay, is it clear? Okay, rest questions. Yes, Dhruvi, I can wait. I can wait. Please do it. No, no, you should do it. Gunjan, what is you are setting the period? Gunjan, first you should check the period in a tally. Escape, escape, escape. Here in the gateway of tally, you should check the period. Alt F2. 1/4/24 to 31st 3/25. Then you can enter the entries 1st April onwards. But the period should be set. Okay. Location wise purchase. I already gave the example of go down. Harikesh, go down's example. Please remember. Check my recording. No, Sneha, after deleting the Maggie transaction, you can change. Okay, let me clear again. Huh? See, presently you cannot change the, see here it is not giving you the option for changing. Okay, now I'm going to delete the Maggie transaction. This is the Maggie transaction, already delete. Now you can change. Alter stock items Maggie. See, is it clear?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello. Sneha, is it clear? I'm sure you satisfied, right? Okay, okay, I'm waiting. You can do. Okay, I'm waiting. You can do. You can work on simultaneously. I'm waiting. Just after completing the exercise, just write down. Right, then we can start again. See, Abhishek, if you want to know the Faridabad purchase is credit or cash, so again you need to bifurcate the vouchers, right? Purchase and cash. Okay, okay, I'm giving you the, let me clear, huh? See, create voucher types, then again cash, purchase. Enter, then it should be under purchase. Okay, this kind of things you should like bifurcate. And if you want, again, still the Faridabad cash purchase should be there. Faridabad credit purchase should be there. Then again, when you create the Faridabad purchase voucher, in that case, you have to create two Faridabad purchase. One is Faridabad cash and one is Faridabad credit. Clear, Abhishek? Faridabad cash should be different. Faridabad credit purchase should be different. Solve नहीं हो पा रहा है. What's the problem? Just write down now. Yes, there is a way to change the measurement of unit before, which used before. No, there is no way. If once you used the unit of measurement, then you cannot change. Okay, because see, think about it, logically think about it. If you used it and you purchased the unit of measurement in numbers, and while selling, you want to change the unit of measurement in packets. So numbers in packets, then closing stock in which measurement unit it will provide you. So after using it, you cannot change it. Okay. On date, yes, Samar, your question is, can we do the transaction for on date before today's date? Yes. Transaction date you can change. Transaction date can be the previous date of recording date. But recording date cannot be the previous date of transaction date, isn't it? See, it is giving you, if you like check the part, if you enter the purchase transaction, when you enter the purchase transaction, then it is asking for two dates. This is transaction date and this is recording date. So recording date cannot be the previous date of the transaction date. This is the rule, accounting rule, basic rule. Is it, Samar? Yes, Aishwarya, you can enter in any year. This is just an example. So, see, okay, Priya, I'm giving you the information. Just please, I'm showing, first you should check my closing stock, for which your closing stock is different. For laptops, this is 296,900 now. Enter. Here you can find out 30 numbers. We purchased 30 numbers and we sold out 18 numbers. Then 12 numbers are remaining. And it is taking on the average cost. Priya, just check it. You should check your purchase and sales. Okay. Okay, fine. Next question. Priya, just check it. Third exercise, transactions date are confusing. Please check that. Okay. Priya, check your closing stock. Why it is like, why the difference is there? No, Jitesh, you should not change. You cannot change the. You should delete the transaction if you want to change the unit of measurement. Control A is a shortcut key to save. GST, see, first we will complete all kind of things, then we will start the GST. First of all, see, today the voucher customization, I gave you the clarification on voucher customization. Then I'll tell you about the class. Okay, like I'm going to give you the understanding of class also. What is the class? Okay, and then we will start that interest calculation, payroll. At the end, we will check the statutory like taxation feature. Okay. I'm sure like everybody got the answers of their questions. Now I'm moving ahead. Okay, is it okay? Now, first of all, see, when you want to pass the purchase voucher, okay, any purchase, not only the Faridabad, not only, I'm not talking about any kind of purchase voucher, only for the purchase transaction. So when you want to record the purchase transaction and when you want to select the party, but the parties are, it is giving you the all the parties, whether it is sundry debtors or whether it is sundry creditors. Are you getting? Just answer me in a Y or N. Are you getting what I am trying to give you the explanation? It is giving me the option to select whether it is sundry creditor or sundry debtor. It is giving me all the parties. Is it clear? Please tell me. Please tell me, while recording the purchase transaction, the party should be only sundry creditors, but it is giving me the option for the sundry debtors also. Right or wrong? Are you getting? It is giving me the options for sundry creditor and sundry debtor both, not only for the sundry creditor. Is it clear? Okay. Now, I want in the purchase, it should only provide me the sundry creditors, not sundry debtors. Only sundry creditors, not sundry debtors, even not cash also. Only sundry creditors. So for that, we have to alter the vouchers. Voucher type, alter, voucher type, purchase. In a purchase, like in which voucher you want what kind of ledgers. So first select that kind of voucher, like for example, presently I show you in the purchase, I want only the sundry creditor, then purchase. Enter. See, right side, there is an option of class. Just only like assign any name. I'm setting here the one. The class name is a one. Exclude this group. Exclude means you don't want to include it, then exclude these groups. So I'm setting here the end of list. Include these groups. What I want to include? Only sundry creditors. Control A. Control A. Now, when you press F9, then it is asking for the purchase. And you want to use the class 1. Then it is only giving you the creditors. Aman Mulayam, Chalu Prasad, and Sharad Prashtawal. These are only, you are having only 4 creditors because Chalu Prasad, I repeated, twice time I created. And because of the name, in the second name, the spaces are there. In the third name, space is not there. Is it clear how I created the class? How I created the class? Is it clear? And what is a class concept? Class concept. Please give me the answer. Class concept. What is class concept? Recently, I used the class concept. I gave you the clarification on class concept, a basic class. Is it clear? I got a one answer from Priya, Pavitra. Pavitra, I got only a one answer, Pavitra. Okay, Sakthi also clear. Okay. Okay, Varda, I am going to repeat it. Okay. Listen carefully. Huh? When I want to record the sales transaction. So what is the shortcut key for the sales effort? I want to record the sales, only the sales, not for the Muradabad, not for the Faridabad, only sales. Enter. But it is given in the party name, the sundry data should be there. Because see, to whom we sold out, we used to sell the items, there are sundry credit debtors. To whom we are selling the items, there are sundry debtors. But it is giving me all the options, even the sundry creditors, sundry debtors, even the cash also. So I want it should provide me only the sundry debtors. So how? By altering the sales voucher. Voucher type sales. Now just create a class. You can assign any name to the class. For example, 1111. Any name. It's not necessary. For example, A. Enter. Exclude these groups. I don't want to select one by one bank accounts, bank OCC. So just end of list. Include these groups. I should select sundry debtors. Only I want sundry debtors. If I want cash, then I can select the cash also. But presently I'm not. Control A, Control A. Now just press F8 and select sales. A class should be applicable. Then it is only giving me the sundry debtors. Is it clear? Because this concept is a very important, you know. This concept is a very important. Dia, what you want to repeat? Modified the vouchers. Okay. Now I'm sure everybody got. Now it is not giving me the option of creditors. Only it is giving me the option of debtors. Rest things are same. Okay. Rest things are same. Now you can check the effect will be on P&L. See, automatically it sells sales ledger. It is also there, and then laptop learning. Is it clear? Now I am deleting it. The concept of include this voucher, these groups, and exclude these groups. I'm sure like this is clear. Now, again, the next is, suppose I'm having a word cash sales. Okay. Voucher types cash sales. And in the cash sales, I always give a one like cash discount. I always my company policy is there should be you should provide the cash discount. So in that case also you can create the, because while cash sales, the discount should be there. So to fix the discount later, you can again create the class. Okay, you can again create the class. Then sundry debtors. Enter, 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 enter. Because 100% sales is there. Now which ledger you want to include? Cash, discount, indirect expenses. Control A, control A, control A. Now you can check cash sales. Discount is always be there. F8. Cash sales. See, cash discount is there. Now you can fix the percentage also. Major cash discount. Then the sales alter the types. It should be on percentage, okay, on total sales. How much percentage you want? And then there is the option of flat rate. Yeah, or see, suppose you are providing flat rate, then 5%. Control A. Control A. Now you can check vouchers, cash sales. Sorry, cash should be there now. See, suppose I'm sitting at the laptops. 10. Automatically discount calculation is there. Instead of that, you can change the alter voucher type sales, cash sales. Modify the vouchers. And as user defined value means whatever you want, like 500, 10, 1000. And on total sale. What is a total sale? Value basis. 5%. Control A. Control A. You can check now. Laptops. Okay. See. Now the calculation is there now. Because we select the on total sale. On total sale, the 5%. Now why it is adding the amount? It is adding the 6250. Just answer me fast. It is adding that 6250. Because we haven't provided the negative sign. Still, I am going to provide the negative sign. Alter voucher types, cash sales. Now in the cash sales, there should not be the sundry debtors. Only cash should be there. Then I am again modifying it. End of list and then cash in hand. Only I want cash in hand. Okay. Then here should be minus 5%. Minus 5%. Enter. Control A, Control A. Now please check. Cash. Then laptops. Then see, now it is like subtracting from the amount. Is it clear? These are very important things. Please listen carefully. Is it clear? Yes, negative sign should be there. Correct, correct, correct. That's mean you are concentrating on the class. Your concentration is there. Priya, if you can share the screen, then you can share the screen. Why it is like, see, first you should check the rate because your stock is mismatched. Now you should check the rate. You should check the rate. Shall we move? Any question remaining? Anybody wants to ask something? Priya, just check your stock. Why it is mismatched? It should not mismatch, huh? Okay. Now I'm going to give you the again the explanation of class. Huh? What is the class exactly? Why it is? Yeah, Jitesh, I'm going to give you the explanation again. Flat rate and total sale. Flat rate means flat fixed rate. Total sale means it will be on total sale. See, for the flat rate, you have to provide the amount and rate. Na? Okay. Now, see, in the next new company, create class exam. Okay. Now, please check. First, I should disable the GS2. Okay, please check. Here is a, I'm going to create the one debtor and one creditor. Okay, create ledger local creditor account, sundry creditor. And local debtor, sundry debtor. Right? Then control A, then sales account under sales control. Purchase account under purchase control. Is it clear? Everybody knows now how to create the ledgers. Now, stock item. Only I am going to create a one stock item, computers. And all see numbers. Control A, control. Okay, two ledgers. I'm again going to create ledgers. Delhi creditor. Sundry creditor. Then Delhi debtor. Sundry debtor. I'm sure this is clear, right? One is bank account. You can create SBI account, bank. Now, I want to create the voucher types, cash sales and credit sales. But in the credit sales, parties should be there. Cash should not be there. But in the cash sales, cash should be there, party should not be there. Okay. So, alter, first create voucher types. Cash sales. It should be under sales. Is it? It should be under sales. Enter, enter. Now there is an option of class. I'm going to write here the A class. Exclude these groups. What groups you want to exclude? You want to ignore. I'm not selecting anyone because one by one I should select, na? See, first bank accounts, then this, but I don't want. Okay, enter. Now include these, exclude these root, I don't want any. Include these these groups, only I want to include the cash and I want to include the bank accounts. That's it. No sundry debtor should be there, no sundry creditor should be there. Control it and control it. Now credit sales. This should be under sales. Then B class. Enter. I don't want to select because one by one I need to select, then enter. Instead of that enter, then this time there should be only the sundry debtors. No other group should be there. End of list. Control A. Control A. Then you can check. Vouchers. Suppose you want cash sales. F8. Cash sales. In the cash sales, A class is there. And it is only giving you the cash and bank account. No other parties account are there. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Okay, Jitesh, thank you. Fine. Now next. I'm sure this is clear. Now in the cash sales, I want to provide the discount also. But here, while entering the cash sales, suppose I forget to provide the discount. Once. Okay, no issue. Negative stock. But I forget to provide the cash discount. So to avoid that kind of mistake, you should fix the discount ledger in cash sales. How? First, you should create a discount allowed ledger. Discount allowed. It is indirect expenses. Control A. Now, again modify the voucher types. Cash sales. See, here is an option that is sales account. It is taking by default. It is taking sales accounts. Yes, 100% sales account should be there. Now, additional accounting entries. Additional accounting entries. What should be the additional accounting entries are there? Then discount allowed account. And on total sale. On total sale. Based on quantity, current on item rate. See, so many things are there as flat rate. Then total sale. How much? Minus 5%. Why minus? We already see. Then control A, control A. Now you will be surprised while passing the cash sales. F8 cash sales. Then by default the discount allowed is there. Then you are selling computers. How much? 1. 60,000. Then automatically calculation will be there. And because we already prefixed with negative sign, then it is deducting. Now please raise the query. Or if we are doing simultaneously, then do it. I am giving you the 5 to 10 minutes. Do it. These concepts are very important concepts in Tally. Creating the class. Creating the class. What ledgers you want to exclude, what ledgers you want to include. Just take the 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Just try to understand it. Try to understand it. I'm opening the that screen now. Alter voucher types cash sales. And just create a class and then you will get this screen. So just create this kind of or just select this kind of options. Then you will get the same things whatever I'm doing. Do it fast. Okay. Any doubt, please? Any doubt? See, today we learn the customization. We learn the customization. And again, in the customization, we already learn how to create the class. Because tomorrow I'm again giving you the another example of the class. How it is useful. Okay. Now I'm going to create 2 more vouchers or 3 more vouchers. One is credit per sales. Voucher types, credit, sales. Okay, it is already created. So cash purchase. Cash purchase. Enter. Under it should be under purchase. Is it clear? It should be under purchase, right? Patul Kumari. Control N is a shortcut key to open the calculator. Okay. Now enter. I am creating a P class. And exclude these groups. I am not selecting any, but include these groups. I am selecting creditors, only creditors. It is cash now, so here should be the cash and bank. Then suppose at the time of cash purchase, we are getting discount, we are getting cash discount. So there should be one account, that is discount received under indirect income. Then on as user defined means you have to mention the amount at the time of entering the transaction. But we don't want, we want on total, like on current subtotal. Because this is on current total sale, this should be on current total or as total amount you can set. Okay. Then current subtotal -5. Control A and Control A. Credit purchase. It should be under purchase. Again, I class. End of list. Then include this group, only creditors. Only creditors. Then the complete 100% should be the purchase ledger. Like purchase to party, then 100% should be in the purchase ledger. But if you want to divide in, then you can, later on we will sell inclusive of GST. Then in that case, the total purchase should be divided into parts. Then in that case, we will check, but presently not. Then ledger name, credit sale. Now it is credit sale. So in the credit sale, there should not be the discount. So end of list. Control it. Credit purchase, right? Now vouchers. F9. Credit purchase. See, P class. Automatically the discount received is there. But by default, it is -5. Huh? So please let me give the example. See, it is taking 22,500. -5 means by default it is assuming -5%. Because 10% is 45,000 and 22,500 is a 5%. Is it clear? But it will be discount received will be affect our net profit because it is our indirect income. It is our indirect income. You can check in the P&L. See, indirect income is 22,500. Okay. Now, suppose I want F8 cash sales. A class. Then cash. And computers. I sold out 2 computers on 56,000. See, automatically the percentage is there. That is 5,600 is a discount. Now everything will be like run smoothly. This time I want credit but sales. Then F8 credit sales. This time no discount is there. Only datas, it is giving me the option of the datas. No other party option is it is giving. Local data. Computers. 8. No discount is there, right? Now raise the query. Any query is there? Please do not write the registration number also only. You should listen carefully because the class is very important for you people. Apart, see, you are joining late now. Please, first of all, you should join on time because you left most of the concept which I already taught. Almost we are going to end the class and still you are writing your registration number. Okay. I'm sure the class concept and the customization voucher creation is complete. Any doubt? Any doubt? Right? Now next. Now there is a one option like if you check then alter voucher types cash purchase. Here we selected on total sale, right? On total sale. But suppose in cash sales, computers 1. And also the carriage inward is also, carriage outward is also there. That is again the expenses. So first, what it should it give the discount on total sale or on current subtotal? That is the option given there, na? For example, see, I'm taking here the one more ledger, huh? We'll see carriage, bhada, right? Outward account, indirect expenses, control. Then as user defined, okay. First, I'm going to, then I'm taking here the discount allowed. Then on current subtotal. Before reducing the carriage inward, minus 5. Vouchers, now cash sales. Computers. Carriage outward, it is 500. Now it is 2825. 2825, why? Because 56, it is calculating on 56500. Because we select the option there on current subtotal. Is it clear? Now again, I'm going to change from there. Enter cash sales. Here should be on total sale. On total sale. Okay. Enter. Okay. Again, I'm going to select the see, now it is only 2,800. Why? Because it is calculating on 56,000, not on 56,500. Because previously it was taking 56,500 for calculation. In 5%, it is taking on 2,825 because 56,500 will be there, na, that total amount. Is it? Same thing you can do with purchase. Class tab in Tally. Okay, Dhruvi, I'm telling you. Okay, no issue. Dhruvi, please. Your question is how we can open the class concept. Okay. So to open the class concept, the option is suppose in a Tally. Okay. See. Okay, I'm going to give you the another example. Cash receipt and bank receipt. I want to bifurcate this. Cash receipt and bank receipt. Now create voucher types. Cash receipt. It should be under receipt. The type should be receipt. The type should be receipt. Control A. Now, while entering the cash receipt by pressing F6, cash receipt. Now, cash account debit. It is by default, it is known the cash account should be debit. So, to sales. No, it should not to sales, to local debtors. Against reference, this. Okay. How much amount I'm getting? 50,000. But now this time it is giving all the options, now, whether it is cash, whether it is party, whether it is bank. Here the cash should be debit only. The option should be cash. Now only cash should be given. No other option should not be given. Is it clear, Dhuvi? No other option should be given. So I want here it should provide me only the cash account. So that you have to open the class. Alter voucher type cash receipt. See. Include these groups, exclude these groups, end of list. Because I don't want to select one by one for excluding, just end of list. So it will exclude all the groups. Include these groups, only cash in hand. That's it. Okay, and then Control A. Now, while receiving the amount by cash, then it will only provide you the by cash. See, to local data. Oh, voucher class, I am not following. Na? F6. Cash receipt. C. Now it is only giving me the cash upar. See. Only cash. And if you want, then you can change the mode. Voucher mode. Single in, double entry. To data. Now it is giving you. Again it is giving you. Okay. It will be on single entry. Okay, fine. So only it is giving me the cash and SBI. Now I want only the cash, and in the bank receipt, I want only the bank. If not clear, then again please check. F6. The cash receipt in the class should be C. Now see, no other account you cannot, apart from the cash, you cannot select other account. Because you said you instructed Alina include these groups. Is it clear? Same thing, bank receipt. Create voucher types, bank receipts. Receipt. Now it should create a one class. B. Then only bank account. That's it. Control A. Bank receipt class. Now only SBI is automatically selected. So I'm sure like today's session is very helpful for you, because in the today's session we learn the customization in Tally. First we check how can we customize vouchers, because apart from the 24 vouchers which is already created, we want to segregate the cash sales, credit sales, cash receipt, bank receipt, cash payment, bank payment, everything you can segregate. Okay, and then in the next half, we learn the ledgers class concept. What is a class concept in Tally? By creating the class concept, you can select the ledgers. What kind of ledgers it should provide you. Right? Because by mistake, sometimes because of the time we want to do the fast. So when we work fast in a Tally, then sometimes we done a mistake. Instead of selecting the debtors, we selecting the creditors. So class, by creating the class, that kind of mistakes can be avoided. Okay. Okay. Anybody have some question? First, Khushi, you should check commission account under which head. You created commission account under which head? You should check. Control enter is a shortcut key to alter the ledger. I'm not getting your question exactly, ma'am. Actually, I entered the extra sales. So I entered in numbers of unit of sales. I'm not getting you. Give me the like, either you can send the screenshot. For submitting the assignment, I will give you the one email ID later on. Please do not ask regularly. Ask the question regarding the current session, not from the previous session, because previous session we already completed. And no issue, I'll give you the explanation of the previous session also. But give me the clarification, because I'm not getting properly. Right? So I'm going to end the session. Please do the exercise regularly, whatever I'm sending you regularly. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.